Hi friends, once again welcome back in your math channel, Maths in Nutshell by Mahesh Sen. Guys, today we are going to learn about the NCERT solution class 10th, the chapter number 3 NCERT solutions, pair of linear equation in two variables. So guys, what we have done last time, if you have seen my video, we have done the question number 1 of the exercise 3.1. Now we are going to have the question number 2 and 3 in this video, and we'll go to the solution, the representation of the graphically and algebraically in this. Okay, so what is their question? In this question we have the coach of the cricket team has buys 3 bats and 6 balls and rupees 3900, the first condition, and the second condition, she is also buying another bat and 3 more balls in rupees 1300. Okay, so there are two conditions, and he has said represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Right. So guys, it is clear to you that we have given two conditions. The first condition is different from the second one. So, and the different things are given to us. So first of all, we'll start the solution, and we know that very well. This is the linear equation in two variables. So there will be two variables here. One is a bat, one is a ball. Okay. So we can take like this. The cost of the one bat and one ball is rupees X and Y like this. Okay. So let's start now. I'm writing here. Let the cost of one bat is rupees X. Okay. So cost of one bat is rupees X, and the second one is Y. Obviously, we'll take the Y. So cost of one ball is rupees Y. Fine. So X and Y is clear to you. The first one is for X, second ball for the Y. Okay, nice. And the total cost we have given 3900. So we'll write here total cost equal to rupees 3900. Right. After this, we'll go for the condition that how much ball he is purchasing, how much bet is purchasing, and then we'll make the equation according to that. Okay, so she is purchasing three bets and 6 balls. Okay, so 3 balls and 6 balls plus, and the total rupees is 3900. So one bet is called X, so it will be 3x plus 6y equals to 3900. This will be equation 1. So I think the equation 1 is very simple to you. Now you can make it very simple, very easily, the equation 1 and 2. Okay, so by this way we are going for the second equation also. The first equation is 3x plus 6y equal to 3900. We'll make in the box so that it will look like properly what is your equation. Okay. Now you see the second condition. She buys another bet means one bet, and 3 more balls in rupees 1300. So we can write here one bet plus 3 balls is equal to 1300. Okay. So one bet cost is X rupees. So you will put here X plus 3 balls or 3y is equal to 1300 or 1300. Right. So by this way we are getting the second equation, and we'll make it in the box. So we are putting in the box so that it will be highlighted properly. So two equations are clear to you. Now what you are going to do? Okay, and I will tell you this, when you are making the equation, this will be called as algebraical equations, right? So these equations are representation of the given situation algebraically, right? So what is algebraically formed? This is 3x. We can write it again. 3x plus 6y equals to 3900, and x plus 3y equals to 1300. Clear? So first step is clear. The first thing is clear to you. Now we are going to the second condition. Second condition is we have to represent this algebraically presentation to the graph or graphically. I will make it clear so that guys, graphically representation means draw the graph, not graphically solution. We'll go for the next equation, next question in the exercise 3.2 that represent the solve the given equations or the system of the equation or the simultaneously equation in the graphically solution. Okay, so that is another way. So 3x plus 6y equal to 3900. We'll make the table for this, find the solutions, and then we'll have the graph. Okay, so table making in front of you, x and y we'll take the values of x and y. I know this is 3x plus 6y equals to 3900, so it is a little bit lengthy. So what I'm doing it, I'm just simplifying it by this way. 3x equal to yeah, or directly I can write here 3x equals to 3900 minus 6y will be there, because I'm just sending the 6y in the right hand side. Okay, I can send this 3x also. Okay, so 3900 minus 6y upon में 3 जाएगा, so it will be the simplest form of the given equation. You can put the direct value also, otherwise the simplest form will be 3900 minus 6y whole upon 3. Okay, now what is your job? Your job is to put the value of y in the right hand side. You will get the value of x in the right hand side, left hand side. Okay, right. So I just want to put the value of y 500. I can put here 500. Anything you can put here, 200, 300, 500, anything you can put here. So I just want to put here 500. So 3900 minus 6 into 500 upon by 3 as it is, we will put here x equals to 3900 minus 6 5 is 30. So 3000 minus 3000 will come from 3900. 900 upon my 3. 900 upon 3 is 3. So what I'm getting it, guys, x equal to 300 when the y equals to 500. Okay, so my first solution I got, y is 500, x is 300. Okay, now the similar way I will go for the second value also in the same way. So what I can put here, y is equal to, can I put here 500, 600? Okay, 500 done, 600. Okay, let's see it here. X equals to 600, sorry, y equals to 600 in the right hand side. Y is equal to 600, so it will become x equal to 3900 minus 6 into 600 upon by 3 as it is, we'll put here. After this we have 3900 minus 6 is 3600 minus 3600 will be here 300. Okay, so 300 upon 3 will be here 100. So somewhere we are getting the value of y 600, so x will be here 100%, 100. Okay, so x is 100, y is 600. Clear? Next, the next story you will repeat for the second equation also. We'll make the graph, the graph table, and for this table we are writing here, just make the table here x and y, and after this x and y will put some values. Okay, and equation is x plus 3y equals to 1300. Yes, you can see here x plus 3y equals to 1300. Yes, now guys, you're free to put the value of x or y, anything. I just want to put the value of x is what I can see. Okay, okay, right, I'm putting here at x equal to what you can put here, 400, 100, 200, 300 could be. So 400, so 400 plus 3y equals to 1300. 3y equals to 1300 minus 400, that will become 900. So 3y equals to 900, so y equal to 300. Okay, so this guys, one thing more, if you are very fast in calculation, don't do this calculations here like that. You just do orally and write the table, okay, and fill the entries in the table. Okay, I'm just explaining because of the few students are like this, they want this solution also, 300 kaise aaya, 400 kaise aaya, like that. Okay, so 400 is the first value, we are getting y is 300. Now the second value, x equal to, we can take here 100. Okay, so 100 is x, 3y is equal to 1300. 3y equals to 1300 minus 100 is 1200. So 3y equals to 1200, and 1200 will divide by 3, it will become 400. Okay, so 3 4s are 12. Okay, so y equals to 400. So you can see here, when I'm putting here x equals to 100, y is 400. Now guys, the table is ready. What is your job now? You have to make the graph, right, of both the equations. You are making the graph, and after making the graph, you will plot the these points, whatever you have got the solutions, and after plotting the solution, you will join all the points here, and then you will make a straight line, and that straight line will be your graphical solution, a graphical representation, not solution. Okay, graphical solution is the same when their lines are intersecting. Okay, I'll take it in the next video of the next exercise 3.2. okay, so my graph is ready. I'm just making it x and y axis. On x and y axis, the gap of you can see the 100, you can take it okay, so 10 10, oh sorry, 100 12 200 300 400, like this you can take. It depends on the your value of x and y. How much value is x and y? I can get it, x is 300 400 500 600, whatever the value of bigger value, you will put up to the one more than that value. Suppose your x equals to 900 is the minimum value, maximum value, you will go for the 1000. Okay, so we have not more than 600, so we are putting here 100 200 300 400 500, like this. So value of x will be in the right hand side, y will be up and down, and you just complete this the graph what I'm doing it. Okay guys, so my graph is ready now, 600 700, like this. Okay, because I want the value, it should be covered in this graph. Okay, now what is my job to have? I will do the I will plot this point. What is the first point? 300 is the x and y is 500, and the second is x and 100 and 600 is the y. Okay guys, so 300 comma 500 x and y will put here. So where is the 300 on the x-axis? Yeah, it is here. So just look at here guys, 300 on the positive x-axis. But before this, you can write here in the table what is the second table also, 400 300. Okay, 400 and 300, so that I will not scroll down again and again. And 100 and 400. Okay, so I'm writing here first of all 100 is x and 400 is y. So I can see here x is the 400 is the maximum value and y is 600 is the maximum value. So it will cover in under this my scale. Okay, so 300 and 500, we'll plot this point first. So where is 300 on x-axis? 300 and y is 500. So it will take here and your point will be here. Yeah, this is my point, and you can put here 300 comma 500. This is my first point. Okay, so I'm writing here 300 comma 500. Now second job, same, the 100 is x and 600 for y. So where is the 100 on the x-axis? Yeah, it is here, 100 on x-axis, and I can just highlight here, and y is 600. So 600 is very close to this y. Okay, 100 and 600, I have written it here. Now what is my job? I have to join these 2 points. So remember guys, I will suggest you don't make don't plot the all 4 values here and then join the line. So you will put 2 values, join the points and make the line. Then the second equation, join the plot the points and join the line. This is the way only, because it will be gadbad, otherwise you will join 1 2 point or second like this. Okay, so what I'm doing is just look at my screen. Yeah, so 100 comma 600 and 3 comma 600, it is intersecting 1300. Okay, so I will draw the line. It is very clear to you on the screen. Yes. Now can we have the second point, the second table for the equation number 2? So I am here 400 and 300. What is your job guys? 400 is here, 300 is here. You will plot with the purple ink. I have done it, purple color. 400 and 300 and 100 and 400 is here. Okay, I have written is the pointers here so that you will clear with the 100 and 400. Now join this 400 comma 300 and 100 comma 400, and these lines will intersect somewhere. So this is the graphical representation. I can see here guys, this question is completed here. When I will ask you the solution, that it depends on the where it will intersect. Otherwise this graphical representation is over for the question number 2. And you can see these different 2 equations are here. So the last job is to write the equations also. So I'm writing here 3x plus 6y for the first equation equal to 1300, and the second equation is x plus 3y equals to 1300. That is 3900, but this for 1300 is the value. So x plus 3y is 1300 and 3x plus 6y is 1300, 3900. Okay guys, so my table is ready, my graph is ready, and this is called the graphical representation. So after making the table, you will plot the points and representation of these points, and joining the points, the straight line will represent the graphical representation. So I think this is clear to you all guys. The first question is over. Now we are moving for the second question. Okay, so again I'll tell you the NCERT solutions. We have the second question of the chapter number 3, and the chapter now name you know very well. So we'll continue this question in the order. The question number 3 from the pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, so again the condition will be given to you, and you have to follow the algebraically and graphical representation. Okay, so what is there in the question number 3? Just look at here. The cost of 2 kg apples. Okay, the cost of 2 kg apples, this time the quantity is different. The cost of 2 kg apple and 1 kg grapes is rupees 160. Okay, and the second condition is 4 kg apples. Now 4 kg apple and 2 kg grapes is 300. Again, the graphically and geometrically you have to represent this situation. Okay guys, there is no problem, we'll write it. So the very first, let the cost of the 1 kg apples, because apple is first the quantity, so we are taking here 1 kg apple is rupees X, and the cost of the cost of 1 kg grapes will be Y rupees. So this is clear now. You are familiar with. You can do it to your own. Okay, before me even. Okay, so the cost of, because I am writing everything, you can write here the cost of 1 kg rupees X. Cost of 1 kg grapes is rupees Y. Directly you can write here. I have to write everything. So this is X and Y. Both the variables are clear. Now moving for the condition. So we know that the 2 kg apples and 1 kg grapes. Okay, so I am writing here 2 kg apples plus 1 kg grapes is equal to how many rupees is paying? The 160, so equal to 160 rupees. Okay, the second condition. Okay, before the second condition, just make the equation. 2 kg apple, 1 kg is X rupees, so 2 kg will be 2X rupees. Obviously, now you are very fast in doing this. I can see the few students sending me the answers also, so equations also. So 2X plus Y equals to 160. This is the equation number 1. Very fast guys you are. Thank you. Yeah. So 2x plus y equals to 160, and the second equation will be according to condition that again you will write the 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes. Okay. So 4 kg apples means 4 kg plus 2 kg equal to 300, and then we'll put here, we'll make the equations. Yes. The 4 kg apples plus 2 kg grapes rupees 300. Okay, 300. Yeah, 300. Just double the quantity, but the cost is not double. The cost is only 300, not 160 double by 2. So equation will be here 4x plus 2y equals to 300. You can divide by this equation. This will be simplified, so it will become 2x plus y equals to 150. So now you can see here the equation in the left hand side, both the equations are right. 2x plus y, 2x plus y. But the cost is 160 rupees, here is cost 150. That's why I was telling you the cost is not double this time. Okay, now I will tell you, this is the equation that you people are making. These equations are algebraical representation. Okay, so you can say these two equations are algebraical representation is completed. The first portion is done. I'm simply writing here 2x plus y equals to 160 and 2x plus y equals to 150. Okay, so these two equations are here, and you have to write the graphical solution now, graphical representation. Okay, so again the same story you will repeat. Just quickly you just do it with me. Graphical representation में you will required the graph, and graph के लिए for you will put here in a table. Okay, so table में you will get the solutions. Okay, so graphical representation is the remaining here. So the next portion, the last portion, we will put here the 2x plus y equals to 160. Okay, and the graphical representation is somebody was asking, so simply graphical representation, draw the graph, not the solution. Okay, so the 2x plus y is equals to 160. Make the table for this. Quickly you can make the y equals to 160 minus 2x. So put the values of x and y here, x, and put the values of y and get the answer. Okay, so my table is ready here, x and y. Yeah, I can put here the values fast. what value I can put here. I'm just making the 3 columns, guys. Again telling you to, you try to make and just make the habit to make the 3 columns only. Okay, and still we need 2 columns, but you can find out this way. Okay, so 2x plus y equals to 150. This is the second equation we are writing here. There is no problem. 150 minus 2x, this is the second equation. Now guys, one by one you just put the values, whatever you want to put. The x equals to 200, 300, 400, whatever you want to put here, guys. Because why I'm telling you again, because you are free to put the values. I'm taking, suppose x equals to 100, don't take it 100. You can take 200 also, you can 300, but line will be same. The two lines will be intersecting parallel, where there is no problem. There are infinite many solutions, so you can take any two. So I'm putting here x equals to 50. Okay, so what I'm taking it, x equals to 50. Okay, so now getting the y equals to 160 minus 2 into 50, that will become here 100. So 160 minus 100 will become, right, 160. So y is 60. When x equals to 50, y is 60. Okay, fine. This is my first value. The second value, yeah, I think you have done is already. The x is 60. Okay, let's see here. X is 60. 160 minus 2 into 60 is 120. So 160 minus 120 will become here 60, and 60, 40. 160 minus 120 is 40. So what is the value of y? 40. So I'm putting here x is 60 and y is 40. Now the second equation. 2x plus y is 150, and 150 minus 2x will make the table for this also. Even I have written it here. Just look at here, x equals to 40. So what will be the y? 150 minus 2 into 40, that will be 80. So 150 minus 80 is 70. So y is 70 when you are putting x equals to 40. X equals to 40, y is 40. What I want to take, should I take is y, x equal to 15. Okay, this will be, y is also 50, I think, yes. So x equals to 50, so 150 minus 2 into 50, that is 100. So 150 minus 100 is 50. So I told you just now, oral calculations. So y is 50 when x is 50. Okay, so x and y both are clear here. I'm just putting these values in the table. X is 50, y is 50. You can see my table, guys. Okay, now after making the table, just draw the graph. Just we have done in the previous video. Okay, the previous question only. This, all the questions are same here, but you have to make the equations and the graph will be different only. Okay, but the process is same. You have to make the algebraical equation, and then according to condition, and then the making the table, and table according you will draw the graph after the plotting all the points here. Okay, right, guys. So let's make the Cartesian plane here. I will request you one more thing. If all the values are positive, the people is to that x and y axis only. Don't make the first quadrant. I want to tell you that you should make the whole quadrant. I mean all four quadrant here. Don't make the positive quadrant only. Okay, because this is not only the first quadrant we are studying in the 9th or 10th class. It was happen up to the 8th class. It's fine. Because it will be a negative marking if you are doing this. Okay, so y is y 70. The maximum value of y is 70. So just making this Cartesian plane. X is 100, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, like this. My x-axis is completed here. Y-axis is negative, so I'm putting here not so much, only up to the minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. You have to write it, guys. Up to 50 is fine. Don't write it as 100. Okay, but you have to write 4 quadrant, and don't make the first quadrant only. Okay, so I can see here everything we have to see, like our value are 50 and 60, the first value, and 60 and 40. Okay, the maximum value is 60 here of x and y. So we are covering here 60 and 50. 60 is covered. The second value for the second equation, x is 40, y is 70. Oh, y is 70. Now what I did it, I just want to tell you, 50 comma 50 is okay, fine. But y is 70, but you can see the positive y axis on the I have written only the y equals to 60. So what I'm doing it, I will extend this line a little bit, and yeah, I can extend it, and it will go up to the 70, because I have to cover this value. Okay, 40 comma 70, right? There is no problem, we can extend this, right? Chalo, let's start now making the or plotting the graph. First value is 50 comma 60. Where is the 50 on the x-axis? 50 is here, last value, and 60 is the value here. Okay, 50 comma 60, it will intersect at point. Let me make the intersecting point. Yeah, I got it. So this is 50 comma 60. Okay, the first value is clear to you. Okay, the second value is 60 comma 40. So x is 60 and y is 40. So I'll get it 60 comma 40. Okay, now it is here 60 comma 40. Okay guys, come to before this the second pointers second solution you will put here. Before that, just draw the line. Okay, so what I'm doing it, I just joining all these 2 points and making this straight line. So my straight line is like this. Let it be go. Okay, यहाँ तक जा रही है, ठीक है, चलो. So my y and x एक्सिस के बीच में हो रहा है. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. 50 60 एंड 60 और लेट्स गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट. Okay, 40, 70 and 50, 50. So what is 40? 40 is x. Okay, I can just make the mark here. And the 70 is the highest value. Okay, so 70 is here above this. Okay, the last value of the y. So the first point I got it 40 comma 70. Okay, the second value is right. I should write here the point also. So 40 comma 70 I will write here guys without delay. 40 comma 70, this point, the coordinate of this point should I write. Okay, so you should write the 40 comma 70, the first point. The second point is 50 comma 50. So it will be 50 comma 50. Yeah, 50 is here on x-axis and y पे 50 ये आ रहा है इधर. Will draw intersecting the perpendicular and you can draw the intersecting point here. Okay, so 50 comma 50 will be here. Okay guys, so 50 comma 50 is the second point. Now guys, what is your next job? Yeah, very fast. The second one is, yeah, so the next one is you will just join these points and make the straight line. Okay, that will be your second straight line. So let's join these points. Okay, taking the line and yeah, I join it. Now you can see these two lines are parallel here. Okay, these two lines are parallel. It is very clear with the different pens or different colors. And what I can do here after this, I can extend the this x-axis because the lines are intersecting x-axis somewhere. Both the lines for different places, not they are intersecting at each other. Okay, because lines are parallel this time. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to write the equations also guys. When you're making the equation lines, just write the equation for which line is that. So 2x plus y equals to 160 is the first line, and the second line is 2x plus y equals to 150. Okay, so 2x plus y equal to 150. Let me write it. I will complete it guys. So listen to me. When you are plotting the graph, you have to write the equation of the line on the graph, this straight line. Okay, and one more thing I just want to do for perfect diagram. So what I'm doing guys, I can extend this x-axis towards the positive x-axis again. So this line will go and it will be extended till, yeah, just a second. Okay, it's fine. Oh, right. And I can put the values here, the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and extending the 60, 70, 80. Okay, like this. I can extend this, there is no problem. And by this graph, it is clear. So just write down here, the lines will be parallel. So this is perfect, the graphical solutions. So I hope so you understood this. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much guys for your time. Thank you.